Good evening, and thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Rebecca Pryor. Iowa Congressman Steve King, a member of the House Agriculture Committee, is encouraging new trade efforts around the state today. That's our top story. Congressman King escorted a group of delegates from Taiwan around Iowa farms in an effort to encourage agricultural trade between nations. We caught up with the group at a local Plymouth County farm where the delegates got to meet the farmers and see the inner workings of the operations. As Iowans continue to lose Chinese purchases due to tariffs, King looks to strengthen trade with other nations.
The market share of the soybeans purchased by Taiwan is now moving up to about 80%. It comes from the U.S. And it was a little closer to 50-50, and the Brazilians were into that market a little further. So the Brazilians' share of this market has diminished, the U.S. share has increased, and the lion's share comes out of Iowa. So that when there's more demand and we sell more grain, then that raises the market for everybody. And that's what we're trying to do.
Along with increasing trade deals with Taiwan, King also hopes to do more trade with Europe to help Iowans with the pressure from tariffs.